like the smoky sauce. But over there in old Memphis, a dry rub ribs balls.
The folks down in Georgia, they can't pick up their mind. You can give it to them sweet or spicy, and they'll say that tastes alright.
And you might think the South Carolinians are just a little bit off. Would you believe their barbecue's yellow with a mustard sauce?
Pork shoulder is the cut of choice in Mississippi, and they pride themselves on barbecue that's totally vinegary.
In Louisiana, them Cajuns, they like to spice it up. They like to spice it up. This is our review of barbecue in the southern United States. And when my life is through, bury me in barbecue, but make sure it's vinegar based, cause you know that slows decay, and it's a style from our home state
Up north, cause their barbecue sauce is white, made out of mayonnaise.
And down in Texas, where the longhorns steer roam free, they love to smoke their brisket, that's a big old slab of beef.
And down in Florida,
This is our review of barbecue in the southern United States. And when my life is through, bury me in barbecue. People not from the South think barbecue means cookout, and that's something they're wrong about.
barbecue is not a verb.
And barbecue is not a grill,
Barbecue is meat, prepared in a very special way.
which varies depending on where you go.
That was our review